Hi everyone and welcome to the third module. In this module we'll be talking about C++ classes. In the previous module we learned about structures, and we know that structures can contain data members. Classes are similar to structures in that they can contain data members, but they are different because in addition they also can contain function members. So there's really a lot of information in this module. I'm going to kind of go through things here. As always, this is a module at a glance. It kind of tells you everything you'll be doing in this module, and there's always a link to the course calendar. We have lectures and activities, part A, and this is all the information that you need for project 3A. We're going to have two projects in this module. All of this information is very important, and you need to take time, to work through it. You should be running these sample programs that are attached to make sure that you understand what's going on. This might take you more than one time in viewing these videos to understand the material. I would ask that you start early so you have the ability to ask questions along the way. If you wait until a day before the project's due and you try to get everything done, you will not be successful in doing that. Our assignment, as always, there's one part from the book, and there's also my programming lab assignment. But the day after the due date for this assignment and the day after the due date for my programming lab, the solution file for part 1 will be open, and you can see the solutions in my programming lab. Our discussion, we're going to be building on the discussion from the previous module, so you can read through that information. And here is project 3A. Okay, so just read the instructions carefully. And again, you can just go ahead and ask me any questions that you need to. So then after that, oops, this looks a little strange for you, so let me just do this. There's going to be another lecture and activity module, part B, and this will be used for project 3B. So these two folders will open on February 20th. Which will give you sufficient time to go through the lecture and activities and then to work on project 3B. Keep in mind, project 3B will take project 3A and it will add to it. So you have to complete this project before you can move on to this project. And you do have, the regular amount of time to work on the first part, and then you'll have an additional week to work on this part. So again, classes are really pretty complicated, so you need to start early. You might need to watch the videos more than one time. I'm going to come out here to the course calendar, and you can see, our due dates here for the discussion, post, the assignments, the discussion response, project 3A, and then out here we have project 3B, and then we'll have our quiz on classes here. Okay, so get started right away. You will need the time in this module, and please let me know if you have any questions.